I'm going to spend some time talking about the speaking section of the OET exam. Now, the speaking section is marked based on linguistic criteria and clinical communication criteria. So we'll start with the linguistic criteria here. Important to note, this section for linguistic criteria is out of 24 marks in total, and it's broken down into 4 subsections. And these 4 subsections are each out of 6 points. So let's take a look at what those subsections are. The first one here is intelligibility. And intelligibility is this idea that you are understood in your, if this is second language, then you are able to be understood by the listener. Now, this has to do with your pronunciation, things like your rhythm, stress, intonation, pitch, and then the accent that you have developed in this second language. Now, importantly, the focus here is on your ability to be understood. So making sure that your pronunciation of medical terms or other vocabulary is not impeded by your pronunciation. So your listener is able to recognize all those words that you say as you're doing your speaking role play. The second section here is fluency. And fluency really has to do with the rate, so how fast you're speaking, and the flow or the smoothness of your individual words, but also your general ideas. So with fluency, sometimes we think that that means you have perfect English skills, but it's actually more about how difficult is it for you to express your ideas? Are you able to do it in a very easy, effortless way when you are communicating? So for this section, it really comes down to lots and lots of practice with the vocabulary, with the organization and ideas, so that you feel very comfortable doing those sort of role plays that the OET requires, and that the speech that you are using is very comfortable for you, and you can express those ideas without much effort. Another subsection here is the appropriateness of language. So this has more to do with the language that you're choosing. So the words, are they the best words for the context of what you're trying to say? Your register and your tone. So are you using the appropriate tone as you are conveying empathy, for example, or if you are asking a question? So does the language you're using, as well as how you are expressing that language, does that fit the context of what you're saying? And then the final section here is resources of grammar and expression. So this has more to do with your grammatical accuracy and your vocabulary choices. So with your grammatical accuracy, the focus here is really, can you convey the information, or can you ask the questions in a way that provides clarity in the grammar that you're using? Is it clear, when in time that you're asking this question with your tenses? Is it clear exactly what you're asking based on your verb choices and so forth? So the focus there for all 4 of these subsections is clearness in what you're asking, but also what information you are providing as well. So that is really the linguistic criteria for this OET speaking section.